Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, then welcome back. My name is Kristina. Today's video is my updated wash and go routine. I'm going to show you from start to finish how I achieve moisturized and defined curls. And if you're someone who doesn't like too much shrinkage, I'll show you a technique at the end of this video on how to stretch and elongate your curls. Let's get into it. So I'm getting ready to prep for washing my hair. I just took out my braids and I'm sectioning my hair into 4 sections to detangle using my paddle brush. Once that's completed, I shampooed and deep conditioned my hair using the Cream of Nature sulfate-free Moisture and Shine shampoo and intensive conditioning treatment. So here my hair is washed and conditioned. I'm sectioning my hair back into 4 sections, and I'm using Miss Jessie's leave-in condition to moisturize my hair. Since my hair has high porosity, I like to apply this to all 4 sections before going in to define my curls. My hair dries out pretty quickly once it's wet, so this helps to add the moisture back in. Not only does it provide moisture, but it also leaves my hair feeling really soft when using this product alone. The products I'm using to define my curls is a Silk Elements Strengthened Silk Foaming Styling Lotion and Echo Styler Gel. Within the 4 sections, I created 3 subsections and mixed my hair with some water. Then I applied the foaming lotion. I like to rake it in using my hands first and then use my detangling brush to help make sure the product is distributed throughout the section. This brush does really well with defining curls, but I like to go in and do finger coils in the areas that need it. I take a little bit of my Echo Styler Gel to help provide some hold. You can definitely see a difference in definition comparing this subsection to the right side. So I'm going to repeat these steps all over throughout each section. Once I'm finished defining, I like to use a diffuser to dry my hair. I'll start off by focusing on drying my roots first and then focus on drying the rest of my hair. For volume, I like to flip my hair upside down and also over-direct it to the opposite side. This can take some time, but the results are so worth it. So if you made it this far into the video, here's a helpful tip on how to elongate your hair when you have some shrinkage. This is after diffusing my hair, and my hair is about 90% dry. To elongate it, I replace my diffuser with my concentrator and lightly pull on sections of my hair and blow dry it for a few seconds from base to ends. And voila, here's the after. So to finish, I'm using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shine Mist, and I'm gonna lay my edges using Edge Fixer. Alright y'all, so here is the finished look. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, feel free to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the post notifications so you're notified the next time I upload, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, guys.